Heart. Happy, smiley face, at nag enjoy nmn came. Balaksana naman kaya lng halos lahat may bayad, at crowded pool, dito ang pool nila libre na. Malinis ang room at nasist nmn kaming mayos. Maraming salamat po, smiling face with hearts, exceptional. The place was perfect and the host was accommodating. Wi-Fi connection is great. Place is very clean. I would definitely book again this place. One of the best accommodations, the unit is well maintained. The host is very accommodating and helpful. Great. The place is clean and classy and the location is great. And staff is super helpful. My entire stay was super comfortable and I've actually stayed twice in the last 2 months and will possibly stay again when I need to be back in that area. Best staycation ever. The place is very cozy and clean. They provide complete set of blankets, towels, toothbrush and toothpaste. The bathroom has body gel and shampoo already, so best to bring conditioners. Now lang _ super easy access to the Venice Grand Canal Mall. Swimming pool is free of use but up to 3 persons only. They are very strict in swimming attire, which I think just fine. Very kind host, even gave my little girl a cuddly toy. Thank you so much, Ms. Neston. Excellent property, clean and very convenient location. Impressive except for the foot rug which they were not able to change. Staff were very courteous and accommodating. The unit was clean. Exceptional good place. It's like a complete room package. Nice huge place to stay. The room is huge, with full furnished appliances and furnitures. It's clean, has plates, can cook, and it has even extra bed sheets and towels to use for few days stay. It has balcony to see the pool and McKinley Canal from the room. I recommend to stay again. My husband left his army hat in the place. Hopefully the cleaner keep it and return to us. Exceptional. The Wi-Fi didn't work for 1 day but otherwise the room is nice and big. Big pool. Great location next to Venice Mall. Parking. No free parking provided for guests. We were advised to either park in the mall or go to a pay parking. Excellent, quite slow Wi-Fi. Unit is well maintained and clean, no toiletries.